Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small from CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. And today I want to talk to you about something that I run into every once in a while, but it's the idea that Medicaid planning is not estate planning. All right? Before I get to that, I want to remind you, if you have estate planning questions, if you have probate questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and book a time for me to talk to you. You can just go to estatemeeting.com. We'll talk over the phone, in person. I'll answer all your questions. If I can help you and you want me to, I will. If you don't, that's okay. I was talking to a potential client today, and she was asking me questions about tax basis and quitclaim deeds, which I've been talking about the last couple days, which I thought was cool. And she was asking me, though, these questions in the context of Medicaid planning. And I had to sort of let her know that in my eyes, Medicaid planning is not the same as estate planning. Medicaid planning, in my eyes, is trying to organize your things in a way that will allow you to save money sort of on the front end and on the back end, but in a way that's different from estate planning. The reason I say that is because Medicaid planning is really sort of its own beast. The rules are very, very specific. They are very, very, what's what I'm looking for? Penalizing if you don't follow them. And in many cases, the downside is outweighed by the good, because you have to give up basically all of your assets to qualify for Medicaid to save a couple of bucks on the back end. That doesn't mean that people shouldn't explore the idea of Medicaid planning and think about it and learn about it. But the point of this video is that you should really make sure that you're talking to an elder law attorney, not necessarily an estate planning attorney when you're talking about Medicaid planning. For example, I believe in my office that we are really, really good at estate planning. But one of the things that we don't do is Medicaid planning. It's very, very specific. It's very, very difficult to learn. And it's something that people have their own lane on, and they're called elder law attorneys, right? So just remember that if you are in the market for that kind of planning, if you have a loved one that is sick or that you think is getting sick, and you can tell they're getting sick, and you are concerned about Medicaid eligibility or Medicaid sort of reach back and claw back on assets, now is the time to talk to somebody. But I'm not the one to talk to. Okay, talk to an elder law attorney. If, however, you have estate planning questions, if you have probate questions, go to estatemeeting.com and talk to me. I would love to talk to you. And I think, as you can see from this video, this is the way that I operate across the board. So if you ask me questions and I don't know the answers, I'm going to tell you I don't know, and I'm going to get you the answers from someone that can give them to you. Okay? It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen. I have the humility and the confidence, I guess, at the same time, to tell you that I don't know the answer to your question, and I'm going to try to figure it out or get you in the hands or in front of the person that can answer the question that you want. Okay, so to sort of summarize this whole thing, at the end of the day, Medicaid planning is not the same as estate planning. Okay, Medicaid planning is really sort of like income tax planning in many ways. All right, if you want to do some Medicaid planning, you should talk to an elder law attorney. If you want to make sure that you are safe, that your property is safe, and that it's going to go to the people that you want, and it's going to give those people, when they get it, the opportunity for success, then you want to do some estate planning. All right, that is it. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Show me some love. It gets me coming back here to do these videos every day. If you know someone that needs to hear this video, please share it with them. Just type their name in and hit the return button, and they'll get a notice about it. And again, if you have estate planning questions, please go to estatemeeting.com. All right, I'm Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. That is it for today. I will see you again tomorrow.